Hey everybody, today on Henry's How-Tos, I'm going to show you how to make Indian Bihari Kebab. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to do my recipe based on about 300 grams of fillet or beef tenderloin. So what we want to do is, unlike other kebabs where they're cubed, this one needs to be more sliced thinly. So first thing we'll do is give this a clean. You want to get rid of any sinew, because it's going to be tough, we don't want that. Okay, and that one's fine. So we'll just slice it very thinly like that. Now of course you can cube it if you like. So we'll start by adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Next we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of ground coriander, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of sweet paprika, half a teaspoon of ground cardamon, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, a quarter teaspoon of ground nutmeg, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and half a teaspoon of ground chili. Now if you want it extra spicy, make it 1 teaspoon. Now I'm just going to add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil to this, and just using a whisk or a fork, we just want to mix this together and get it well combined. Guys, what we're going to do next is add our meat back in, and we're also going to add in 3 bay leaves to this, and we just want to mix this all together. Make sure to get it all well coated. So we just want to cover this with some cling wrap now, and place it into the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours, preferably overnight for best results. Alright guys, so you got a few different options for cooking these. In my case, I'm going to thread them on my long metal skewers and cook them on my mangal, which is pretty much like a charcoal grill. The other alternative, you can put these on bamboo skewers and put them in a frying pan or even grill them, or you can even bake these in the oven. So there are a numerous amount of ways you can do this. So if you're doing it my way, what we're going to do is get each piece, we want to skewer it on, just like so. So just push it all the way through. And you just want to push between each piece, just like so. Now obviously be careful not to actually skewer on the bay leaves, so you can discard those now. Okay, so just like so. So let's move on to our grill. And we'll go ahead and place our skewer straight on like that. After about 30 seconds we'll flip the skewers. Basically we're sealing all that flavour inside the meat. So at this point all we need to do is flip the skewers every 30 seconds until they're cooked all the way through. Because the meat is thin, this should only take about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, so we're at the 3-minute mark now. You can tell by the colour it's cooked all the way through. But if you're in doubt, just have a little feel, it should be nice and firm. So let's go ahead and serve. We'll push down from the top and release it off from the bottom. Alright, and in terms of garnish, we'll keep it nice and simple with some fresh onion, and we'll add some spring onions on top too, just like so. And there we have it. So guys, this is delicious on its own, but very commonly with either naan bread or roti bread. I hope you like that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.